We're going to do some conditional formatting using data bars now. Let's start with clearing out your conditional format. So if I choose the table, choose the drop down on column 2, and clear the format this way, clear all, so it's completely cleared out. Now we're going to apply the conditional format with data bars. Click on your column 2, and you notice that there is no data bar option. And the reason why is because we've switched it over to don't summarize. So some of the conditional formatting features don't work unless you're summing the values up. And this is one of them. So if I choose the sum function, I switch that data and it gets rid of my null values. Now when I go back to my conditional format, I can actually, the data bars option appears. So when I choose data bars at this point, there's my basic scale here. So I'm going to choose the column 2, of course. Maybe I'll show the bars only, so I don't want other things to influence it. My lowest value and my highest value. And then I'm going to simply choose a positive bar and then left to right type of bar versus a right to left bar. So we'll just choose those options, those default options, so we can see what it looks like. If you say OK to that, it actually puts a little data bar inside the values. Now I did tell it not to show the values in there, so we can go back and maybe make that adjustment so we can show those data values. So I'll go down to my data bars this way. If I turn that show bar only off, now it will actually show my data and the bars. And it's kind of nice because going from left to right that way, it doesn't actually overwrite all the data pieces, just the ones that seem to be the larger numbers out. And then you can also format these to be a little darker also. That might help a little bit too. So that's basically how you do the data bars. Keep in mind that you've got to put in the, you've got to have it as a sum function in order for the data bar feature to work.